Sanbonani, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zaid Bula, and I'm here at Sandfields. I'm here with Shiv as well. That's Shiv, my little puppy. And a lot of people have seen it on social media. You've heard about the tornado that hit on Monday. And we're really here to ensure that we render support in all ways possible. And my appeal to anybody that's watching this is to make sure that you do the same, support in some way or the other. Tongaat will get back on its feet. Leaders, communities out there, let's leave ego at the door. Let's pull it together. Sisonke.